This is question 9. It is regarding a polynomial. So given that the expansion of x plus 2 plus m to the power of 2019 can be written as this form, it is a polynomial in x plus 1 with the degree 2019. If so, find the largest integer m such that this inequality holds. First of all, we'll try to understand what is the left-hand side of the inequality. I'll let a to be a0, a2 up to a2018, and b equals to a1, a3 up to a2019. The left-hand side of the inequality is a squared minus b squared. That is a plus b, a minus b. The next thing I want to do is I'll call this as px. In order to get the sum of the coefficient, that's a plus b here, we simply let x to be equal to 0. Okay? So p0 is equal to a1 is equal to a0, a1 all the way to a2019. And this is equal to a plus b here. On the other hand, when x equals to 0, this first row shows that it is 2 plus m to the power of 2019. Next, in order to get the alternate sum, that is a0 minus a1 plus a2 minus a3 plus a4 minus a5 and so on and so forth, we shall let x to be equal to negative 2. So p of negative 2, it will be equal to a0 negative 2. So this is minus a1, then plus a2 minus a3, and so on and so forth, plus a2018 minus a2019. On the other hand, p negative 2 is equal to m to the power of 2019. So from what we have here, the left-hand side of the inequality is equal to a squared minus b squared, a plus b, a minus b, and is actually equal to this one. So 2 plus m to the power of 2019 times m 2019 less than or equals to 2020 2019. Since we are interested to get the positive value of m, and this will mean that m plus 2 will be less than or equals to 2020. So from here, we need to find a largest integer m such that this is true. 45 squared is 2025. So m is roughly 43 or 44. If m is 44, then m plus 2 will be equal to 44 and 46. That is actually equals to 2024. m equals to 44 does not satisfy the equation. And if m is equal to 43, so m plus 2 is equal to 43 and 45. And therefore, this is equal to 1935. When n equals to 43, it satisfies the inequality. When n equals to 44, it does not satisfy the inequality. It means that m equals to 43 will be the largest integer that satisfies the inequality. As such, 43 is the answer for question 9.